All right, man. We all live, good brother.
What it do? What it do?
What it do? What it do? Damn, man. All right. Let's go ahead. We'll give it a minute to go ahead and get live. Let me just send out a quick tweet so that way. Strat King's first in the building. What's good, Strat King?
The do strat.
What is good, man? Don't be a. What the hell is that? So somebody tweeted me and said, "Don't be a paniac." I guess like they talking about panic and whatever. But yeah, let me go ahead and let the world know that the fellas is live. Strat King, what it do, brother? Hey, look, Strat King, sent you on early, bruh. Today we officially got the outside yearly candle on IWN, bruh. We finally took out that high, dog. 245 in the building, man. Okay, let me go. Do like that. And all right, here we go. Alrighty. What's good? What's good, man? Welcome everybody to Late Night Leverage. I'm one of your hosts, Zay. And we got my good brother Quadree in the building. Our other good brother Jay will try to make it. He got some parent teacher conferences this evening, but he did say he was going to try to get into the building. He was going to try to make it here a little bit later this evening. So yeah, man. Let me go ahead and I wanted to buy that. How was your day, brother? It was crazy. Made new all-time highs. You on mute, bro. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Or I can't hear you.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yesterday it was beautiful, man. I caught the move up and down in the morning, and then the portfolio looked good, really good before the close, but still finished positive for the day in the portfolio too. So, but you know, we posted it, man. The intel conversation we had, so that was some good timely news.
Yeah,
We
we'll
got.
talk.
So,
We definitely
yeah.
gonna talk about that.
So, yep, a good day for me, brother. What about you?
Yeah, man. It was a good day. I've been last Friday I was on the road and driving because me and wifey went to Ohio, and I was doing good, and bruh, I won't even front. I was in the Dow, and I was basically trying to work my way to get back to break even for the Friday, and I was like, all right, this is gonna be my last trade. And if you remember, last Friday towards the end of the day, it was like a big sell off, and then they wicked it back up.
Yes, they did.
Dog, that shit took me to the cleaners. I was like, God, no. And I was literally, I think I was like 2 or 3 points away from where I wanted to get out. And I was like, I'm gonna wait. And I saw it reversing, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna keep holding. And that shit sold down, ended up wicking back up. But anyway, I was down like 900 last Friday. So I pretty much wiped out like almost all my whole week. So this week I've been kind of, getting back and building that back. So this week has been good. Last night or yesterday I was up, finished the day positive 400. And pretty much was done trading pretty much, a little early. And so yeah, man, overall been a pretty good week, bouncing back from, you know what I mean, that craziness from last Friday. But yeah, and as far as the options portfolio go, doing well there. Like you said, I got some intel yesterday So that pop today was pretty good. Apple just slowly chugging along.
Yep.
Same thing. AMD, the whole Intel news kind of hit AMD a little bit today, so that was cool.
Yep.
Uh let's see what else I'm in. Apple, AMD, Tesla been rocking. I
Tesla.
mean, Tesla been going crazy for me. That's the one that been rallying lately. And outside of that, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. I know it's been a while since we've talked to the people. A lot has happened. So,
Yes.
tonight we want to do a little bit of catch up. I mean, I personally think it might be a little bit slow tonight. We'll see. Tomorrow is triple witching, September OPEX. But with that being said, man, tonight the agenda that we wanted to bring y'all was talk a little bit about the FOMC, what came out of that, some impacts. Just talk about the market, right? Where we are, where we could possibly go from here. And then of course, we'll be live trading as well. So with that being said, let me go ahead and pull up my screen and damn. Uh, Let me go to RTY, bruh. Damn, that's what I should have been in. So yeah, I try to sneak a quick short on the ES. So I'm down $50 to start the day, but yeah. So also I'm experimenting. So currently, I'm learning to trade these Bitcoin futures. So I think Bitcoin could do a little bit of a run. So I got in one con, I got an order in for another. So that'll probably be the trade I'm in this evening. See if I can get this second order filled. But let's just let me go to the other indices and just kind of catch us up where we at, what we see, what's been popping. So okay, so here's where we at, man. First of all, let's talk about just the market. And we're going into OPEX, and the ES is up 2.64% this month, bro.
Yes.
Like,
I'm out.
what happened to bloody September and all August and all that?
Seasonality.
Right. You got the NQ is positive 4%, bro, for the month. Running. You got the YM up 1.35. So I feel like this could play a little bit of catch up. You've got, last but not least, the star of the show, the Russell, up 4.4%. And everybody know, if you've been watching the show, the Russell is the one that I've been saying with these interest rates. This is the one that's gonna really get going,
Yep.
right? And so yeah, man. I mean, with that being said, bro, we got a positive September, really been running, and that kind of brings us to this FOMC talk. So, what was your takeaway on the FOMC? How the market has been reacting. Talk
Yes,
to it.
yesterday was also another good day for me as well. As far as the speech was nonchalant. It was a mixture of, I want to say, a mixture, a little bit hawkish, a little dovish at the end of the speech, based off how the
Yeah.
market received information. But we expected the 25 bips as far as the cuts, which we got. Also, we got two more rate cuts coming
Yep.
expected, which could change, right? Could be a little bit more depending on how these numbers, the data come out next couple months. Because we don't have one in October. Could be a little bit more of a cut, but as far as, I mean, the market did as expected. It kind of shook it assumed a minute. We got the dot plot in there. The market spiked up, and then
Mm-hmm.
got the drop as he spoke, as always, and then we finished up kind of flat. So they were saying the implied move was a one plus minus 1%. We got to that 1% when we hit the lowest from, and you like the close, but we did drop the 1%. We ended it flat almost. So, and then the Dow ended up green, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday. So I mean, he did what he expected. It looked like he's going to ride off into the sunset. You know, doing what Trump wanted to do. So
Mm-hmm.
hopefully, he gave us that 100 bips next
Mm-hmm.
month, get us down to 2%. But overall, though, it
Right.
was expensive, man, and we running the rest of the way.
Facts, man. Yeah, I agree with you, brother. My takeaway with this FOMC, well, a couple things, right? And real quick before I talk about it, I just want to say what's good to Maurice. He say what's good. We
What's up?
just need RTY to do it. Yep. I think he meant the YM. That's Strat King. We got Brian in the building. And Brian, I saw your DM about that thing you built, and I'll hit you back. I didn't forget about you, bro. Jay said was good, should be on for a few, have another meeting to hop on. Jay, I think we got to get you on the show. I guess he was saying he was probably going to be able to hang out on the live, but he got another session. But what's good, fellas? So like Quadree was saying, man, my takeaway for the FOMC, first of all, once again, right, I really want to share for me, right, and how I look at the market, my perception of the market is that I do believe that financial media and pundits try to push particular narratives to get people emotions to lean a certain way or them to react a certain way. So the first thing that stood out to me coming into this FOMC was very similar to the Jackson Hole meme, in that Jackson Hole, the media was pushing hawkish, 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 and I threw out there, hey, you need to be prepared if this guy's a dove. Same thing happened with this FOMC. Every media outlet or article I've read kept saying, "Oh, this is going to be a sell the news, sell the news, sell the news event." I didn't like that. Even on Twitter, FinTwit, right? The prevailing narrative was, "Oh, it's going to be a sell the news." When the rate cut happened, the market's going to tank. And naturally, one of my natural tendencies is to be a contrarian. So when I kept seeing that, I'm like, I think this might go a different way. Right? Like, I think this could go a different way. Like, it may not be a sell the news event. Now, to Quadree's point, we did get a little bit of a sell-off, right? But at the same, so here's my reasoning for the sell-off. Number one, I like the fact that we started with a new week opening gap in the cash session. Both SPY and Qs gapped up Monday, and they kind of had not tested that gap. So I wanted them to test that gap. So the fact that we came down and tested that gap was a good thing, and we bounced out or wicked out of it. So I'm like, cool. Meaning, like Quadree said, we did sell down 1%, but we ended up finishing flat. So it was really just a dud. So you can't really say it was a sell the news event. I mean, you can, but at the end of the day, for me, at the close, it ended up being a dud, and that's what it was, right? So and then I was happy with that. Number two, right? Let's talk about the dot plot and the projections, right? Because that's what kind of caused a little bit of the craziness, right? Initially, when the dot plot came out, it did confirm that the Fed is pricing in two more rate cuts. So it's a probability of one in October and December. That's what the market was counting on. So that was the initial pop. However, what got things a little bit sticky was the path for 2026. They only right now, it seems like when the dot plot came out, it was only projecting one more cut, which we know is subject to change. And I think we actually get another update when it comes to December. So there was a little bit of lack of clarity when it comes to the 2026 path. And that's what kind of caused a little bit of queasiness, i.e. the sell-off. But then when he started talking and kind of eased concerns, we wicked up and we end up coming back up and pretty much finishing flat.
Yeah.
So so overall, like you said, bro, I feel like he was pretty neutral. Maybe for me, I would say he leaned slightly dovish. The biggest thing was he was not nearly as hawkish as, once again, the financial media narrative was trying to paint the picture to be, right? It was, oh, it's going to be a hawkish cut, blah, 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 but it really wasn't, right? And so therefore, we ended up with a dud, in my opinion. Intraday trading was great, right? If you're a scalper or whatever, you definitely could have took it, took the trade down, took the trade up. So yes. Then we got today, right? The post FOMC reaction. And as you can see, it's being well received. And I put on Twitter that we would really know how well received the FOMC was if you watch like the regional banks, if you watch like small caps, because those are the ones that are most interest rate sensitive. And if you saw, KRE was up today, IWM finally made a new all-time high. And so it's, the market or those areas are responding well to uh the post FOMC, right? Um, so all in all, man, like you said, bro, I think the Fed is pretty much accommodative, right? So that just adds more tailwinds to this market, this phenomenal market that we have.
Yep.
And the Fed isn't really in the way. I think the issue that could, arise is just that now, I think we'll be in a predicament where if data or news basically is like better than expected or points to where like, okay, the Fed doesn't have to cut, you might see sell-offs. And bad data where it says reinforces the Fed should cut, you probably see the market rally, right? So for example, that's your NFP, unemployment claims, and then of course inflation reports as well, right? So that's kind of how I'm looking at it. That was my takeaway. Overall, I think Powell did a good job of towing the line as he always has. And yeah, he didn't really give the Bears anything to cling on, right? So once again, Quadree, as we keep saying, every excuse the Bears have, they just kick the can down the road, bro. They just kick the can down the road, dog, and the market just keeps going, 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 going. So yeah, that was pretty much how I felt about it. Strat King said YM went outside year yesterday as well. Yes, yep. So both the YM and the RTY both have outside years, so I really like those for more continuation. The Wisdom Maven said, "What is my strategy? I mainly trade fibs. I'm a big Fibonacci guy. That's where I'm at with it. Quadree, how about you? Which
I pretty much trade sweeps and reversals.
Yep.
Yep. So that's what I look for: sweep hours, intersection, highs, and lows.
Yep. King Rome was good. Eddie was good, bro. He said, "What's good? How you been? I've been good, bro. How you been, man? I've been good, man. Appreciate you for tapping in. Yeah, what you looking at on your side, Quadree? Oh, actually, you know what? I do know. I see you looking at the calendar. We do have the Bank of Japan. They got a thing tonight.
Yeah, but
I
it's
think they make their interest rate decision tonight.
They don't have a time for it though. That's what's missing.
I want to say.
But let me see.
I want to say it's probably at like 10 o'clock. 11. It's at 11.
Oh yeah, we be off by then.
Yeah, we'll be off by then. It's at 11. It's at 11. So yeah, man. How you what you looking at here? I know you on the NQ, man.
Yeah, man. So I'm just watching both NQ and the ES. Right now, really waiting for us to sweep. If we want to get anywhere, I'm looking for us to sweep the 6 o'clock hour highs and look for a reversal down. But not gonna lie to you, like we had, like this could be the low of the day right here, right for right now for the session. So we can continue higher. Just at RTY is up too. Right now.
That shit is still going, bro. that's the one I need to be in.
Not really a sell for me yet. And then you look, I'm with you trying to test the Bitcoin out, Bitcoin futures out. But literally right now, no setups, and like we said earlier, today might be not as eventful because now yesterday it seemed like every day we don't have a show, the market just want to run.
Right, bro. That shit is hilarious.
Like every time that we don't go on, the market runs. Literally, you could hold that during all day. But
Yeah, you
Right
could.
right now, so I could go over like some of my trades and stuff like that. Um, yeah, it's been phenomenal, bro. I've had a good week. Got to pay out today. Tell you, my fund of futures pay within hours, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I love them. The joint go right to the bank account.
My bad. What you I was reading a comment. Strat King corrected me. He's correct. IWM has put in an outside year. RTY or the Russell, the actual futures market still has to clear a few levels. So yeah, I was thinking about IWM, but bro, when I see stuff like that, that just means the RTY is lagging. It'll catch up. Like how the
Yeah,
ETF, like you know what I mean? Like the ETF does it, but the futures market hasn't. It'll get there. I ain't worried. Jay said 6721 ES wall got it clear. Got it. Bruh, golly. This thing is
pushing.
IW. So IWM, bruh, if I share my screen, I'm gonna show you there's a little like zone. I think it's probably about to hit it. So it's already getting to the bottom of that zone. So there's 24.97.1 will put it there. But if I scroll to the left, there's a gap right here. Really, it's like all of this is really is like voids that I think buyers are gonna want to, RTY is gonna want to push in. And then to Strat King's point, yeah, RTY it still needs to clear this high at 25.56 for it to put it outside year. And so yeah, RTY still has plenty of room to go to the upside. Like you said, it's pushing right now. Which is a good thing. What's the Dow doing? Yo, the Dow was so weird, bro. Like today, I
So
don't know why it was acting weird like that. And I was looking at the actual market, looking at different stocks, and I'm like, what is holding the Dow down? Like, I guess if maybe it was healthcare or something,
maybe
but
even
that
your
shit
niche
was moving weird, bro. Huh?
your niche was down today.
Yeah, but dog, the way Goldman Sachs was pushing, that should have offset that.
Yeah, that's true.
Like Goldman was pushing. I'm like, hold up. I know that the Dow is price weighted, so that means Goldman Sachs should be number one in the Dow. So that should be the heaviest, the heaviest component. So that shit was moving so weird, bro. That joint was moving so weird, but it is up right now. It's up
Yeah,
48 points.
so it didn't had pretty much Visa was down, UNH was down, Procter Gamble was down, J&J was down, McDonald's was down.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, pushing a little bit.
actually, I took a long ES. I did
You
the
did.
micro. Yeah, I did. I like it off the
Um,
gap. I got it to go on 710
okay.
points. That's going my
NQ look all right too, man.
yeah, but I ain't see my setup on that drink.
Okay, I got you.
I
My
could take
micro Bitcoin trade going green. I might add another one, boy. I feel like this might be a trade I'm willing to hold all night. So somebody asked about the crypto market. King Rome did, bruh. The crypto market. I'm gonna have to go over the trading view real quick. Let's go look at the crypto market, and then hopefully y'all can't really see this white. But I wish I could make it gray, but you only got dark theme, and then you only have.
Are you turning dark? What happened?
I mean, if I'm gonna make it dark so that it's easier to see. And then I'm wait. Oh, also, I'm glad you reminded me this too. 8 o'clock is when like the new day opens for
Crypto, yep.
crypto. But at the end of the day, man, somebody was asking about crypto. Again, I think the rate cuts is good for crypto, right? We didn't really get into that too much, but the rate cuts are definitely positive, and we might be able to see a nice little alt season, say from October into January, right? Oh crap, I messed up my fib.
Yep.
So yeah, right now, if you like, I'm looking at Bitcoin on a monthly. You can see it is a bullish engulfing, right? I think the last time we was on the show, I had talked about wanting to see it get above 150, this 115, basically 116 level. So it did get above that. So it should be able to keep pushing. If you look at like say Ethereum looks pretty good. Shout out to Binance Coin. It actually had made it up to 1,000. You got Solana. That was another one we talked about. That looks good. It made it up to 250, trying to get to 260. You even got Cardano, looks pretty decent. It should push up to $1. You got XRP at $3. So yeah, crypto market looks good, man. And then you got the Bitcoin dominance that is still falling. So that's why I'm like, bro, we should get a little bit more of an altcoin run with long as this keep coming down. So so yeah, man. So that's the crypto market. Let me switch this back. And rate cuts should do it good. So I think we could have one hell of a fourth quarter for the crypto market. Who was that? King Rome? Yeah. I think we could have one hell of a fourth quarter. So me and Quadree was talking. My target for Bitcoin end of the year is 185. 185,000. What are you at with it, Quadree?
200. Going 200. I like that. I like the 0-0. I feel like
200. Yep. So
been accumulating.
right. So there you have it.
We've been
Go ahead,
accumulating. I don't know if y'all Pete what gold did. Gold accumulated for a little bit, boy. Well, not a little bit, for a couple months, and that drink just shot up like a cannon. So,
bruh, went bananas.
So I'm expecting something like that. And once to go, that FOMO will run up into them crypto, in the Bitcoin, and you already know how it do.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm long NQ, MNQ, and ES too.
Oh, you long both of them? Yeah. Striking said he's long the ES to prior day high, letting it run like the YM to all time. Damn, both y'all. Man, hold up. This micro Bitcoin trade, I might just let that rock, but let me see if I can find an entry on this thing. Let me go to a 15-minute. What's your entry on ES, bro?
705. You're right.
Oh, right so this is where you in? This is where you in at?
That thing ain't moving. You ain't missing it.
Yeah, I'm about to. Let me see if I can.
I got it going at 710 as a target. My stop is 7. No, my stop is. Let's tell you that stop going.
Let me see if I can get in. I'm gonna see if I can get in a tick under you. Really, I'm just trying to see if I can get in. Where on this little where these candles together. I think this is also the high of that candle too. Let's see. He said I'm in the Tom Lee Permabull ETH play. Facts. You said, and then we looking for. I'm gonna go like that right there. Yeah, if it take out this, then I'm out of there.
Yeah, I don't know what Tom Lee be thinking about.
Let's. He said, I agree. Crypto is in position to run and carry Hood with it. Yeah, shout out to Hood. And somebody mentioned that. Yeah, Coinbase went crazy. Matt Main the Great. Yeah, listen, we talk. This brings us to MicroStrategy, Quadree. Yeah, Coinbase did good, but again, last week, if you was tapped in with us, we also had talked about MicroStrategy, right? And we were saying, look, it's at a pretty good base, whatnot, and you know, with that being said, like we want to see that thing run up. So yes, both MicroStrategy and Coinbase both had decent runs today. And yeah, I definitely want to see MicroStrategy keep going. Damn, don't push down on me. Oh, maybe that's just they just playing games. Retrace for it to push back up. So yeah, you know, I think so. Strat King, right? You say in 3.5 months, yes. Now I'm gonna go back to trading view because this is the and let me put it on a dark theme so that way y'all can see. It absolutely can happen in 3 months, bro, for both Bitcoin and MicroStrategy, right? So if you go and just look at seasonality, dog, from September, October to November of 24, look at that run. If we measure out what this run is, Bitcoin did 90% in 3 months, right? If we measure out, I think, what's this? Yeah, all right, 2023, September to February, 157%. You go back here to 2020, you make your low in September, and then look at that run up, right? Like Bitcoin loved the fourth quarter. So if so if we say if September is the low, and remember my target is here at 185, you can't really see it, but uh to get to 185 by the end of the year, or let's say into January, February, bro, that's a 70% run.
Yeah, and we do
Right?
half
And
of that.
we just showed you last year did 90, year before that did 157, and 2020 is ridiculous. So I'm not even it's probably like 200%. I ain't even gonna do that one. So yeah,
Yeah.
what you about to say, Quadree?
And I said, even if you look at it from a standpoint, if we just did 45%, that puts you at 170, right? From where we at right now.
Yeah.
On top of that, that's a bull flag right there on the monthly.
That
So
on a monthly. And then with MSTR, or my bad, go ahead. I'm gonna just pull up MicroStrategy while you talking about it.
I was just saying, yeah, Bitcoin that's on the monthly has been accumulating for a little bit, rated pop, and historically is good through the rest of the year.
Mm-hmm.
We've been basing out so it's really good setup. I was in MicroStrategy twice, and I got back in it again today. This time I'm off.
The time he holding. So
Yep.
look, when it comes to MicroStrategy, you gotta think about it. This was November 24 candle, monthly candle. MicroStrategy has basically consolidated all year. It took out the lows, never really went back above 389. So when MicroStrategy get above 390, it's on and popping. It's on and popping, right? Now, here's the next thing, right? You look at MicroStrategy, do the same thing. September, you usually make a low. So this is 2024. So September, you take the low, you go up to there. That's 240% in 59 days. You go to the year prior, right here, October 23, right? So it made its low in September of 23. And then, if you just do up to December, that's 103%. If you go to the bigger run where it ended in March, it did 450%, bro. In what, five? That's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. And then again, if I go to 2020, it had another pretty big run, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like in 3.5 months, yeah, Strat King, it's possible, bro. It's possible, my G.
Yeah, because when it move.
Yeah, when it move, bro.
Even look at it, you go to so you just did MicroStrategy, right?
Yeah,
That same time frame, how many percent is that?
from you saying like if we do it now to where would it put it?
Mm-hmm. Yep, on MicroStrategy. And then also
How
I
much
see the
percent?
like from
Huh?
last September to the end of the year.
Oh, last September. That was last September to the end of the year. If I just go to the close, that was 240%.
Yeah.
So if we talking shit, if you just say 100% from
100%.
September low, bro, that's gonna be 634.
Yep.
And my fibs are black. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna click on my fib to see if I can change it. So just so I can make this visible real quick and show you where because somebody asked me what I trade. I use the fibs. Tell me why. Look where it land, bro.
That's crazy. To the T. Confluence.
Right at my 1.272 extension level, dog.
Confluence, brother.
And that's 627. So yeah, bro. It's possible. It is possible. All right, let me go back, put this back on black. Cause when I don't be online, I use my light theme. And now we back Gucci. All right, let's see how we doing. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no. Come
I
on.
am. Yeah, I'm -$7 on both right now.
Yeah, we just kind of just floating. How my micro Bitcoin trade doing? Oh, that one doing pretty decent. Kind of want to add one more to it too.
Yeah, I'm playing this breaker right here.
But I like what my entry is, man. I'm gonna wait. Let me see what this ES trade do. If I can get out this ES trade green, I'll go add another. What's this? Let me measure this wick. Oh, this wick is, bro. This wick is perfect. If we get to that 50%, that's 6709.25. I definitely could. We gotta get to this 6706.75, but yeah, we could get that. At least get 50% of that wick. Here, let me pull yours up, Quadree, because I know you in it too.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah,
So yeah, man.
let it cook.
You know, anybody got any questions tonight, man? Like I said, tonight gonna be probably a pretty relaxed, chill night. Um, really just trying to see how this triple witching gonna be.
Yeah, I had a lot of great subs, man.
A lot of good setups, bro. It's crazy the amount of good setups that's in the market, bro. Bro, what is y'all doing?
Let's see. But yeah, man, the trading journey be wild. You be up one day, you be down the next, man. So all about consistency. Last week,
That's
actually,
facts.
I had Monday. Monday, I had a red day. Tuesday, I finished with $17. Then yesterday and the day went crazy.
There you go. That's how it says, yo. That's how it be.
I'd be like sticking
I
to my
think
plan. Do.
the thing I gotta get better at is when I have losing days, bro. I don't know. Well, at least when it comes to futures, I don't know. I feel like I can't take a small loss, right? Like like for example, Friday was the perfect example. I really should have shut it down. Like I had managed to get my way back. I was only really down like 150, which that's not bad.
Nah.
And then, trying to squeeze in that last little trade, that shit took me from being down 150 to down 900, dog. I said, God damn, bro.
So you getting that
Kill me,
emotion, boy,
bro.
that emotional bag.
Oh my God, bro. I was tight, yo. I was so mad. I was like, mother effer. Um, yeah, I just got to get, better at like, okay, I made it to a small loss. You know what? I'm not feeling it. don't press it trying to get back to break even. Just that's okay. That's it. Because had I not had that bad day, I would have had a pretty good week. Shit, I probably would have damn
Uh,
near fucking finished this damn combine, bro. This shit is so frustrating, bro.
Because it's like, yo, you literally trading like with your back against the wall. That's how I feel sometimes.
Yeah.
This trade gotta go. If not, just avoid.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'm working on a 100K account, man, because 2K stop loss ain't gonna cut it. Especially when you gotta
Facts.
monitor yourself.
Yeah. Karen said, "Did we catch the meta event?" So I did. I went back. So last night, the runners and I, we had our session, and we was talking about it, and a few people had watched it. So I was like, yeah, let me go catch it. So I end up watching it. Listen, them glasses,
Fire.
crazy. Look, Zuckerberg is on for real. I almost wanted to get in Meta today after I saw that damn that damn fucking that video and all that. I was like, bro, Meta about to go to the moon, bro.
Or you gotta
Like
get
them glasses and they $800. You know what I mean? And listen, and that's a good 800. Like I would spend 800 on those glasses. Like I really, I'm a little bit of a frugal person, but dog,
hell yeah.
that might be. I'm like, hey, bad for Christmas. I want these, yo. I want these, yo.
We
Them
going
Jones is
down. What's the
great.
man, Expected Gadget.
Yeah,
Walk around with them glasses on.
facts. And then what's funny is, can you imagine having those glasses, right? So you got the visual translation and all that, and then you put that together with the Apple iPods that got the that's gonna have the voice joint, bruh.
I mean, I'm going right to the spot and see what they be talking about.
Facts. Like what? I look. I can listen. I'm change. That's a game changer. Yes, sir, bro. What? I want to know what y'all talking about. I'm gonna understand what y'all saying. Ain't no more. Y'all saying this and that.
Yo, bro, and that stuff like I got shares in them, man, and I don't know if I'm gonna get that price
You
again.
got Meta. You looking at Meta? Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at Meta, yeah, but I was saying,
No, what you was about to say?
no, I said I don't know when I'm ever gonna get that price again on Meta. I got Meta at like 490 something, but
Damn, you almost up 100% on them things.
I am just off of the shares alone. But the
Yeah.
thing is, man, they got so much stuff up the pipeline, bro. Like it's just not. It just don't make any sense. And then you look at the data lake thing they doing across the world, gathering people data. They focusing on Africa, which is is growing. Shoot, with those things, man, bruh. Let them have the courtside NBA like Apple was trying to do.
They gonna get it. They can get it. Cause yeah, bro. That shit is different. I saw that event. That joint. I was like, yo. No wonder why he paid all them. He paid all them people.
You're talking about cornering the market. It ain't even fair.
Right.
Oh, bearish. I'm getting bearish signals. Let me see.
You are.
Yeah, let me look real quick. Oh, yeah.
No, we pushing back up.
Oh, 8 o'clock just started. That's why too. Actually,
Yeah. Come on.
Ah.
Oh, it's damn. We damn. I ain't even realized we did just hit 8 o'clock.
Yeah, me got. I don't trust this.
Let's see. Karen said the glasses are definitely crazy. The demo flop, but I see the vision. Yeah, I see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I see the vision too, bro. I'm showing, you know, I see the vision too. You know, you say, yeah, it might have been a flop, but shit, that joint was kind of crazy, bro.
Bro, it just be certain stuff you got. It's like, 'cause you remember Microsoft was trying to work on that joint. They was working on like you put the goggles on and you could be in the same place at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like they still. I wonder what Microsoft doing because they had showed that a while ago. I want to say about 2 years ago.
Well, Microsoft, they be buying out hella they got hella businesses that they bought out. So we're gonna see. All right, come on. Just give me one more little push. Let me take this now. Give me one more. I want one more little push, man. I think I might have missed it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, man. I need you to push it up. Like go up, 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 up. Like just two more. Like you're playing with it. There you go. There you go. Boom. All right. I'm out of that one. Like you said, I ain't really like this how this was acting, but I didn't take a loss. Actually, I made $20 because it brought my P&L down. So bet. And what I could do is I could go focus back on my Bitcoin trade.
Yeah.
And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take that off too. So I'm green on the evening. That's what I'm only green by $10, but
Yeah.
now I can, I can now I got a clean slate. Now I can really look at what I want to do.
Oh, you green for the night? Oh, good, good money.
Yeah, for the night. Like I remember I came into the show, I was down a little bit, fucking around. See, that's what I be saying though. That's my issue. I was down a little bit. I was like, man, I can't. No, man, I can't.
Nah, so I'm looking for us to sweep these highs to go lower. I mean, that's what I'm looking for. Are we gonna do it? That's another thing. The trade I was in, I was just playing off the breaker, which you just see now probably wouldn't have been up that much anyway. But
Yo, I really like this Bitcoin trade, bro. I'm about to see if I can get back in this. It's just so, bro. The one thing I gotta get used to with the Bitcoin trade is back out the trunk, from the front to the back.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was cleaning to that joint earlier. That's
Oh, you
on.
know, listen,
I'm
that's
about to put that on my post, but I'm like, I'm gonna see that for Zay. I'm gonna wait for Zay.
Yo, if anybody seen that movie Highest to Lowest, the Spike Lee joint with Denzel, bruh, that track that what's his name put together, ASAP Rocky, dog, that shit get me going, bro. That joint get me going, bro. No lie.
I'm like, bro, I need that when I'm cleaning. So I put that on, bro. I was like, oh
Yeah,
shit, I was.
dog, you be lit.
Yeah.
You be lit.
He's saying some simple
Uh,
joint, but the beat go crazy.
and see, that's exactly what it is for me. It's the beat. It's the beat. Whole time it's just it be the beat, bro. All right, I'm gonna leave this alone. I ain't gonna fuck with this no more tonight. I'm gonna let that be. That's the trade that I'm gonna let rock. And we looking the ES trade. You still in it, bro?
Nah, I took a small L, $40.
Oh, you got out. You would, but you could have at least got out break even.
It's all good. I didn't want to. I'm waiting for my model to set up.
I got you. I feel it. Understood. Back out
Yeah,
the
I stay
trunk,
true to
from the
stuff.
front to the back.
So
He said, "What's good, King Ray?" He said, "Need the glasses for when the Koreans come back to work." You terrible, bro. You terrible. What you was about to say, though, bro?
yeah, so I'm trying to gauge how much these Bitcoin futures is. So The micro Bitcoin is how much it take? Let me look Google it.
So what? So first things first is it moves by like $100 increments, right? And I think it's like 50 cents a contract.
Yeah,
Also,
one
by the
ticket
way, look.
50
Also, by
cents.
the way, look at RTY. It's at the bottom of that zone.
Uh-huh.
That shit gonna push to 2509, dog. We gonna wake up. That shit is. We about to have a major gap up on RTY.
So it's crazy. I woke up yesterday or Tuesday. I'm like, we up this much? What's going on? And there was a contract rollover. Then I woke up this morning. Are we really pushing still? Because I was worried because we went up. That's why I said last night. I think we probably dropped today, but because Thursday, the day after the cuts, usually is the
Yeah.
most volatile, and
Mm-hmm.
we did the opposite.
That's what
And
I'm saying, bro. They keep, everybody thought it was gonna be
I
sell the
saw,
news. The
I just,
YM is my bad. Go ahead.
I just, at this point, it's like, dang, yo, are they just gonna? Because the more we keep climbing, bro, that hill keep getting steeper and steeper.
I no. So here's the thing, though. Okay, you're right. Right. The higher we keep climbing, the hill gets steeper, but at the same time, the floor gets raised.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The floor gets raised. So like at one point in time, I was considering when we did get a pullback, we might be able to fill the China gap. That's dead. Like
Nah, we ain't coming back there, brother.
that's probably dead, right? Then it was okay. We might get down to like 5,800. I think that might be dead. So now it's like people hoping and wishing that we just get back to 6,000. That might be dead. Because if we keep pushing and I mean, technically the ES is at 6,700. A 500 point drawdown only gets you back to 6,200.
True.
So yeah, bro, the higher we go, that's fine. But at the same time, that floor keep getting raised, and raised. Because like we've talked about, if when we do get a pullback, at max it's probably gonna be maybe 5 to 8% at that. So the higher we keep going, the higher that floor is getting.
Yeah, that's true. And it's like, what matter? I mean, it's like, dang, will be the? No, I was talking about earlier. Just the opposite side of the conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Because right now, cause you think we're in euphoria yet,
No.
and you're not in the fear and greed and all that stuff. All the momentum indicators tell us we're not. So
Right. Well, not only that, yeah. I mean, honestly, yes, right. So you got if we go look at that stuff real quick, let me pull that up, right? Just so people that's tuning in can get a feel for some of the data that we look at, right? So this is some of the data. Um, y'all don't want to see that. This is some of the data that we look at, right? So, right, you go look at the fear and greed, right? I think today it probably right, but when you really think about it, look how we just been kind of building a base at 50 at neutral. So we could easily push up to 75, right? Which will
yeah.
put us right at about extreme greed. Okay. So that's still like it's not terrible, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you got the other sentiment, which is this one. And for all 3 weeks of September, bearishness 43%, 49%, 42%. We finally got somewhat of a bullish reading that kind of makes me say, okay, we might need to be a little bit careful, right? But other than that, look at that 30%, 34%, 32, 28%. And then we finally got a big jump. And really, the big jump is just some people finally saying, all right, fucking, I ain't gonna be neutral. I'm coming to bullish because this was a 7% drop, and this was what about a 7% difference as well. 22 to 16, I think is about 7%. So you really just had a little bit of people go from bullish and a little people go from neutral to come over to the bullish. But still, this split is pretty even. So I'm like,
Yeah.
okay. Then we go look at the other one that tells us uh exposure, and like, bruh, we're not at extreme. And the market just keeps going up and up and up. I mean, it is a mean divergence on it, but this 80 keep holding. So like, that's ooh, you know what else I wanted to go look at too? Let me see. I didn't get a chance to take a look at it. Damn, my Bitcoin trade going down. Let me go look at Bitcoin real quick. What's happening?
Yeah, so we can just close it right here. I'm
Damn,
gonna go short.
I'm glad we did get out of that futures trade.
So we can just
Yes,
close it here. I'm gonna go short, which
we gotta go
we
short. So I'm looking. Let me look at Bitcoin real quick because I know
which
they
we
just opened up 8 o'clock. Let me see what Bitcoin look like. Come on, man. I ain't tripping. Yeah, so we just got a new daily candle open. It's just retesting a little bit, try to create a little bit of wick. Then I think by the time we wake up in the morning, I would like to see Bitcoin at this 18,000. I mean 118,000. So that's not bad. But the main thing I wanted to look at, y'all, is the breath. Look at that, and look, Quadree, this shit still ain't really changed, bro.
it ain't moving at all.
Like we still are sitting at 48% of stocks on the S&P are above their 20-day moving average, meaning only half of the stocks in the S&P are above a 20-day moving average, meaning you could get more upside. Then you've
Exactly.
got 56% above the 50-day moving average. That's a little better. And then you got 60% above the 200-day. Looks like that's it's just holding in. And we look at the total market, we finally got a bit of a bounce. So 62%. You look at the 50-day, that's at 65. That was a pretty decent bounce. So this right here tells me there was a broadening out because the total percent of the entire market is looking better than just the S&P, which makes sense because we had the IWM, leading. So you would think that the rest of the market was catching up. Look at that. We got 62% of stocks above the 200-day. This one looks really good. This the one that makes me think like, bruh, shit is weird because look at the NASDAQ. You only got 48% above the 20-day or the 50-day. And then when you go to the 200, you got about 60% above a 200-day. I want to know, does the let me see if they got an NDTW. NDTW. Oh, they do got a 20-day one. I figured they might have one. Let me go
Yeah.
add that. And that's at 54.
Still room.
Still room, right? So it's like,
I'm
bruh,
sure.
what?
Sure. Yes. By the way.
You short? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty wild, bruh.
Ooh, I'm about to try this on the Bitcoin too.
Let me add.
Oh no, I can't.
So 80%. And then do 20%. %. Boom. So for everybody that's watching, the reason why I do 80-20 as the range is because if you just look through history, you can see like, okay, once you get to about that 80% of stocks above a certain moving average, it doesn't really hang out that, it doesn't really hang out up there that long before you start to pull back. And same thing with the 20. When you like below 20, that's usually a really good buying opportunity. So I
Yeah.
kind of just draw this, range just so I can know. And we dead smack in the middle. So yeah, man. We're gonna see, man. Let's see. Okay, my Bitcoin trade went back green. Thank you. Thank you. I really think we can take out this high, get into this gap. And so also two cards. This is what I'm looking at on the Bitcoin joint is so somebody asked me earlier what system like to use. I use the fibs. So I took the correction, which is this is the January high on the micro Bitcoin futures, and this is the low. And then you can see we right at the level one extension, right? First of all, you can see how we rejected the 1.2, came down, tested my moving averages. So that's a 9 and a 21 on a weekly. And now we're moving back above here. So just like on a smaller time frame, Dre's in the building. Fibs don't lie. Yeah, shout out to my boy Dre, man. My boy Dre put me on. So just like on a smaller time frame, he'll probably be joining us soon. Just like on a smaller time frame, I use this the same exact way. And shout out to my boy Dre because he's the one that really helped me pin this down. But it's if I were to look at these as if this was like 15-minute candles, this is exactly what I want to see, which is get rejection at here, test my EMAs, build a base at level one, because as long as level one hold, not only can we push back up to 1.2, man, we might go to 1.6. And 1.6 is 138,000. So
coming back.
Yep. Dre said, man, look, my daughters is doing good, bro. Let me go. Let me go. So yeah, so I like what I'm seeing, right? If is holding above this level one, is being support, it's got a nice little steady climb that it's doing after rounding out. So I'm looking for this to hold and then push and go higher.
My short looking high right now. Let's see.
Damn, I was just up like $33 on this joint too. I don't know what the hell happened. I gave it back. Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah.
Ooh, pushed up. I don't like that wick.
Yeah, yes, and Q dropping.
They are.
Yeah, he's dropping.
Come on, man. That don't mean, I mean, Bitcoin can keep going though. Huh?
I'm almost at TP. Well, 2 points away. Let's see how long.
Hold on. Well, let me hold up. Let's go look at your trade. Mine, I might be holding all night, y'all. I think. Oh nope, I gotta pull mine down. Okay, there you go. Oh wow, yeah, you caught a good short, bro.
Just wanted to take out that low right there.
Yeah, you about to get that. How many contracts you had on it?
7 micros.
You said 7?
Yeah.
Oh, you went heavy, huh?
I mean,
heavy enough.
Trying to get that $40 loss I had got.
No, I feel it. I feel it.
Come on, don't take the 9 me. Come on. Watch this. If I add 2 more contracts, it's going to do some BS. Oh, they ain't giving me no bread.
Don't do it there. Just let it be. Back out the trunk from the front to the back.
Here it goes. She take me out right now. Oh, don't do me. Don't do me like that. Here, yep. It's gonna do me like that.
Nope, there you go. Oh, come on, come on, come on. TP, come on.
Yo, vicious.
You're stopped in profit though?
Nah, it's not. You see what's going on?
It's some
I'm over.
gaps down there too.
Oh, because that jump was crazy. Let's see. That's wow. This happened before. Now I'm gonna take profit and it's gonna go right to TP.
Right.
Watch this.
I'm looking at Bitcoin. Come on, man. I want Bitcoin to run so MicroStrategy and
Yeah,
what you call it run. Oh, you took profit?
yeah.
So you green on the evening then,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
All right, that's all. That's the best way. I heard this. I'll be watching Top Step TV, and I heard this dude. He had a pretty good saying. He was like, basically was saying, what did he say? It was like it's like a 10% rule or $10 rule where it's like
Yup,
don't
here it
let
goes.
the
Wow, smug. I told you soon I cut in with the TP.
trade.
I'm gonna get NQ though. It's all good. I see a 7.8Q.
Okay,
Uh,
I'm about to just relax. Oh wow, look at that. Yep, it retraced up and then hit them gaps. But hey, you green on the screen, bro. We both green. That's what we like. That's what we want to see.
I'm gonna sell this real quick.
Carl is in the building. What's good, Carl? What's good, my G? I'm flat, by the way. Um, I don't know if I'm ready to quite dive into that micro Bitcoin like that yet.
Yeah, sure. So this NQ, MAQ.
Even though crypto do look good.
Drop down, take out that low.
I'm about to go look at my Boo RTY. It's getting a little bit of rejection. The YM is turning around. It looks like that means the NQ is probably turning around. Yep. The ES. Yep. ES turned around. Oh yeah, this is looking heavy, bro. That's exactly why I took that Bitcoin trade off. Me don't like it. YM. So let me see ES. ES pushing down. Oh man. Thank you. Oh wow, this hourly look real bad, bro.
Yeah, do it. So I'm like, ooh.
That's the ES. I'm gonna go look at I'm gonna while you in your trade, I'm gonna just show it right. So we got this is what the ES looking like. Just pulled back, took out the 6 o'clock low. You got the NQ probably doing the same thing. Yep. And then you got the YM. Yep, taking out the 6 o'clock low. And then you got RTY, which is the leader. Again, it's rejecting that gap area and probably could pull back some more. So yeah, it looks like yeah, we short this 8 o'clock hour. Uh-oh. Look like my girls is home. Oh man, that's a nice little push back up. I probably could. Bet we're gonna watch your trade play out because I'm not in nothing right now.
Yeah, I want to take out these those here.
Are you checking out those? Oh, look at that rejection. Let's get it.
Yeah, there's a breaker that's here.
What's your target on that? I'm gonna go to the end. I want to see this on the NQ
684, 24, 684.
684. I got you 684.
Yeah, we just
Oh, okay. I see you. That would be the woo. That would be that's like basically for I'm looking at the hourly candle. It's like that 4 or 5 o'clock candle after 5 o'clock candle after the market closed.
Yep. Wish I would have got it a little earlier, bro. But it moved too fast in the beginning.
Bro, this is bearish ass candle. This thing might end up. I think we're gonna at least push down to. I definitely can see us getting down to. What's this right here? 689.50. 689.50. Let me go look at gold, bro. Gold been coming down lately. Ooh,
Let's see.
it's coming down right now too.
See, I don't like that. I don't like when they both moving the same.
Damn, I don't know. That joint been selling. That joint just been straight selling. Let me go look at that on an hourly. Oh man, that would have been a really solid entry. Let's see if I can gain 36.72. Let's see if it'll fill me. I'm gonna see if I can get into this gold short, bro. It may not retrace high enough to come pick me up, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Let's see what happens. It's so bouncy. It might come get me. Oh man, let's see. Sean, what's good, boo? Carl said pretty good week so far. Looking to close out. Where's dress? Busy counting those back. Now Carl. He on his way home from a parent teacher conference. He might be on any minute now. He texted us he was on his way back to the crib. So
yeah,
he'll be on in a minute. Hey, bro, you watch track and field?
Yeah, I do.
You been keeping up with the World Championships this week?
Only one I saw around was Shikari. She had dusted them.
Yeah. Nah, it's been Melissa Jefferson been killing it, bro.
She got qualified. Then let me see.
Yeah, she qualified, but she lost. Melissa Jefferson won the 100. I don't think they did the 200 yet. And then shout out to Noah Lyles. He had a pretty good semifinal. He crushed his 200, but the Jamaicans, Melissa Jefferson. I think that's how. It's like Melissa Jefferson wouldn't, because she married. She got double last name. And then yeah, I was about to say that. Shauna, yo, Sydney McLaughlin, yo, she a beast, dog. She's a beast, bro.
Yeah.
Can't nobody touch her in that 400, bro. She be cooking. Whether it's the hurdles or just the 400 period, she be cooking.
I just saw the qualification. I didn't know it was supposed to be the whole thing though.
You said what?
I seen the highlights on. It came on my YouTube. I seen the highlights on it on
Yeah, that's all
Saturday.
I do. I just wait for the races to happen, and I watch them on YouTube.
Yeah.
I just rewatch them. I just be rewatching them. I think she. It says for the first time since Alice Phoenix, Team USA sending 4 women to the 200 final. Yep. So Melissa Jefferson Wooden, Miss Battle, Brittany Brown, and Mackenzie Long all are going to the 200 final, and it's going to be live Friday because I think they over in Tokyo, so it's like early in the morning. Yeah, but Melissa Jefferson, bro, she been on a revenge tour, bro. She been cooking all year. I don't think she lost a race.
I don't know how that. Listen, I used to run track back in the day. Wasn't my calling.
Facts.
It's
I
how
did.
we.
Bro,
It's the
I did an off season because the football coach was like, I want you to go out there
yeah,
and help, work on your speed. I said, I did that shit. I said, man, listen, I'll go get me a parachute and I work on my own damn speed, bro. I'm not about to be out there. Like, no way, bro. And now don't get me wrong. My high school track coach, he actually was a beast. He was a former Olympian from Cameroon. But dog, his training regimen was a beast. Like, dog, everybody, it didn't matter what you ran, your warm-up was like a mile. And then you had to do all your, your field, all the stuff you're training. I was like, bro, this is it. I'm good,
like
dog.
bump that, bro.
Bump that. I'll go put a parachute on and run a couple 110s and call it a day. Yeah, I was like, bro.
I did the 100 and the 200, and then the worst thing I ever did was do cross country.
Oh, no, I won't touching that, bro. You can have that.
I'm like, bro,
Gold is about to really break down, bro. It's not about to let me in. It's not gonna let me in. I'm gonna just go ahead and cancel that order. Yeah, that thing about to cook. Shauna, you short gold? She be on it, bro. She do long. Ooh, there it goes. There it's about to break down now. Excuse me.
yeah.
All right. Yes, it's still coming down. How your NQ trade going? It's still coming down. Yeah, it's still coming down. She said, "Yep, I knew you would be." She be on it. I am. Yeah, damn the Dow. Yeah, this is looking like we about. Yeah, these 4 hours. Yeah, they about to. Let's see what they do with this rate cut at 11. I'm gonna be mindful of that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, 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 YM. Mm, okay. And then bump it. Let me go look at this. Oh no. All right. I'm gonna keep my eye on micro Bitcoin, bro. At 9 o'clock, I'm gonna see what's really popping because this setup looks really good. I like that low that it put in. And then just so I don't tempt myself.
Yeah, go going up. So now NQ dropping. What it was?
Huh? Yeah, gold about to take a nice little tumble, bro. Or at least it looked like it was.
Do you ever think about how all this is operated, bro?
What you mean? In what way?
The market's like, yo, where's this money being? Where's this money really at? How's it moving into one company to the next?
Oh yeah.
That complicated, complex. When you think about it, like, bro, there's so many markets, bro, and then money's is just.
It is. That's why it might all just be make believe, bro.
I think it is, bro. Ain't a lot
Like until
because
you actually physically had it, until
yeah,
you actually physically had a cash in your hand, it's not real.
yeah, exactly. Because I'm putting in an order, so every time I buy something, somebody's selling it to me.
Right. It's
Then
just
yeah, it's gonna make believe, bro. I don't care. No CMM because yo, bro, I was just talking to Mike earlier about that, bro. Like the way the markets move the minute they get the data, like, bro, who really clipping that? Who really hitting that button? And I know all algos, but they scanning it that fast. They just reacting like that, bro.
ain't no way, bro. You had to know beforehand. Like, ain't no way.
And of course, we'll never get to answer that question. But when you really sit there and think about it, bro, that's a high conversation. We like, yo, me, yo, we all in the same option, please. But who's selling it to us?
I mean, well, we know it's the institutions
Yeah,
though.
I know that.
You know what I mean? But no, but like but you're right. Like on the deeper, like you said, when you smack, you start thinking about the deeper nuances. You like, yeah, who really is selling that to me? Like, yeah, you telling me it's the institutions, but like, how? Is there anything else tonight besides the rate cut at 11?
No, just that. Yeah, it's the recut.
Man, crypto is actually looking pretty decent, bro. That 8 o'clock open, everything moving up. That's what I want to see. I'm trying to see MSTR do the damn thing.
Even like we think about crypto, like, bro, how that joint started, bro.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I'm like, yo, we could have sat there and did it ourselves back in 2012.
Right.
Jay says, go look at patents.
You said who?
I
Oh, go
said,
look at patents. Oh, yeah, I heard about it. The internet is undefeated, bro. Yeah, he said go look at the patents. I heard about it. It's like some of that stuff is patented by the government, like Bitcoin and all that. Someone said BMNR. Listen, Tom Lee about to pump the ish out of goddamn on Ethereum, bro. All these crazy targets he got, and then this I might have to I might have to just buy like a share of this BNR because this one of the ones where it got so much
yo,
hype
you
behind it, it
seen
might do
about
something crazy.
you seen that
Huh?
American Bitcoin joint, bro?
The who?
The American Bitcoin.
No, what's that?
The joint had pumped up to $14 out of that last week. Tweezer.
What is it? American Bitcoin Corp?
Yeah, it's getting some buzz, bro.
They what?
It's getting some buzz on the medias.
What the hell?
Not saying,
Oh Lord, another hype machine.
yeah, Eric Trump. Bitcoin shareholders.
Mm,
Another pump and dump.
right. Courtesy of the Trump Foundation.
Oh, okay. We moving.
Yeah, there
Um,
you go. Back, got the Trump, got the Trump, the front. Yeah, bro. I think that I'm looking at the NQ, man. That's a good short, brother. Um, it could definitely, for real, low key. I could see that joint going, pushing all the way back down to. Man, I wouldn't be surprised if it tests like 647.25, yo.
160. This
Damn.
time, right?
Yeah, that's Tom Lee joint. That's it. BMNR. Everybody piling into it. And when ETH go crazy, that shit gonna go crazy too.
So I need to get some contracts. Oh yeah, I'm almost SCP.
Oh yeah. Trust the Dow is moving down nicely. Um, ooh, let's go. Why
Yeah,
I don't know why I have.
I'll be trying to find my own style as far as the colors of the candles.
The colors on the what?
Candles.
Uh-huh.
But everything I think of, I see somebody with
Man.
it.
Just stick to the classic red and green. Ain't no need. NQ, where you at? Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ.
Man,
Damn, I should have jumped. I
these
should
being
have
more
jumped.
try expensive for
Huh?
for a $60 stock, man.
That volatility, that's why.
Nah, I'm good off that. I'm at my forget that. And they only go to 105.
All we gotta do is just stick to the script, bro.
Uh-huh.
Damn,
Yo,
that little.
we ain't talking about how your Steelers did that. Y'all ain't come my man who let the ball go in the end zone.
You said we did what?
Y'all didn't cut my man who let the ball go in the end zone.
I don't know. Maybe. I ain't see us. I ain't see nothing about anybody getting cut.
That was
But
bad.
I can't believe we lost to the damn Seahawks though. Again, man, our defense supposed to be good, but it's looking that's this the second game where it's looking suspect. How y'all let the Seahawks put up 31 on y'all? That's
They
y'all let
kept oh
Sam
somebody
Darnold, we let Sam Darnold beat us.
they kept showing that same play that teams that y'all did back to back weeks with the crosses.
Mm-hmm.
But don't our defense is trash too. But we without Jai Alexander, we played better though.
Mm-hmm.
They got the Chiefs the 7-point favorite against the
All right,
Giants.
we got 15 minutes till. Did the Thursday night game start yet? You
Yeah,
said that
seven
was a
seven.
sorry. That's a sorry game. Who they got playing? The Dolphins versus who?
The Dolphins and the Bills. It's 7-7.
Hmm.
It's the Dolphins and the Bills is 7-7 right now, first quarter.
Oh, it's seven. Who scored? I need to. How you fantasy? You did you do fantasy teams or no?
No, I didn't. I couldn't
No,
find the lead again.
gotcha. I was about to say how your teams doing.
I don't got stressed about that this year.
uh, who the hell hell is Ollie Gordon, bro? They stole my touchdown, bro.
No, no. The
Because the
name Ali,
Dolphins, huh?
I'm looking at this. Yeah, the name Ali Gordon is remind me of the store.
Yeah. Oh, Ollie's
Ali's.
Ollie discount. Josh Allen killing it. He got a passing touchdown. Who he throw? Oh, Dalton Kennard. That tight end, yo. He nice, yo. I should have picked him up. Yeah. So far, one of my leagues, 2-0, and then in my other league, I'm 1-1. Last week, the dude I played, dog, he put up like 180 some points, bro.
That'd be the worst.
I mean, actually it's not the worst. I would prefer to lose that way. Like if you gonna beat me, I hate when it's them close, low
Those
scoring
teams,
joints.
yeah.
It's like, but hey, I'd rather get squashed. Where if my team, like I only put up like maybe I think. Let me go look at the last week. What did I put up last week? What was my matchup last week? Let me go look. Scores. That's not what I want. League. So yeah, like all right, yeah. So last week I only put up 115. His team put up 181. Like he went crazy. I'd much rather lose that way than like the close ones. Them be
Yeah,
the ones that pissed me off. But dude, he had Jamar Chase went off. He had a Duze for the Bears. He went off. He had 31. Jamar Chase had 36. And then after that, the rest of his team was just solid. Like Pat Mahomes put up 23. His running back, each of his running backs, one had 13, one had 15. His tight end put up 14. His flex put up 15. His kicker put up 10. His defense had 13. I was like, God damn. So yeah, he smoked me. All good though. All good. All good. I'm still in it. I actually think I might have to do a trade or something, bro. I need to improve my roster somehow.
mm-hmm.
We pushing back down. Actually, that was a nice little retrace. I wanted to wait till 9.
Yeah, we got 11 minutes. Hopefully, I can
Yeah,
get
this
that.
hourly candle. Ooh, they did get it by 9. That's what we need. We need that push by 9.
Yep.
Back out the trunk. Out the front. Mm.
And still that money on the sideline ain't even hit the market yet. I don't believe that.
I don't believe it either.
I think they lying.
Gotta be, bro.
You know what?
Cause it's like, dog. It's like, how is the stock market? How like that's how, like we said, bro. It's imaginary.
uh, and that thing we was telling you, man, Dre was telling you about, the dude made a post about it the other day.
Which one?
What we texted you about?
That's that indicator.
Nah. So remember last week we texted you about the that group, the private drink.
Let me go look. Let me go look. Let me go look.
He sent you the video. You said he's gonna check it out when you was on road.
Yeah, of the indicator thing that he made, right? Or no, you talking about? Okay, I see which one you talking about. Okay, yeah, but that's when we were saying he was gonna make it go public, right?
No. I don't think so.
Market radar.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Made it public. No. Anyway, he's talking about the supply. I'm trying to find it.
Talking about the what?
He's talking about the M2 supply.
Yeah, I'm looking at his videos now. His latest one was 6 days ago. The strongest stock market rally ever. Might be near. Explain. Is that the video?
No, it's not a video. He posted it in the group.
Oh, he just posted it in the group. Okay, I got you.
Yeah. But
I mean, but
he made a
dog,
posting about it wasn't. Don't believe that joint.
don't believe the M2 supply?
Yeah,
Why not?
I'm trying to find it. So much stuff.
Mm. Oh, let's go. Good stuff, Shauna. Congratulations. I know you've been working hard at that. CD and cover. That's who's selling. 586. What's good, chat? Let's go. Congrats. Congrats. Good stuff, girl. We get to your TP yet, bro? We should.
Excellent.
Huh?
No, we went back up.
Oh, we waking up a little bit.
Yeah, I mean I'm still in profit, but
Tomorrow's Friday, right?
yes, it is.
Yeah.
I almost forgot. I was thinking.
Let's see what happened. We got 7 minutes. Huh?
Yeah, I almost forgot. I thought today was Friday for a minute. The week fell on.
I know, right? It's been a long. It felt like I ain't gonna front. It felt like a long week, man.
I guess because waiting for the news and everything.
Mm-hmm.
As work and stuff. I always got work.
Back up the trunk. Yo, I'll be up. I'm coming to Jersey this weekend too.
Oh yeah, Dre told me. He said you're gonna be free at the night.
Yeah, my niece's B-day party is like during the day. So once that's done, I'm gonna be chilling. So I told him if we could probably meet somewhere like halfway.
I mean, he about 45 from me up north.
Where you like more in the middle, right?
Yeah, so like if it's where you say your people are right, that's like 45 minutes from me. I'm in the middle.
So see, we probably need to just meet at you.
Yeah, so
because if it's 45 him, huh?
Yeah, that'd be ideal. Either way, bro, I have no problem. I can come to you, or it really.
Nah, I think that's gonna probably be the best bet is to just meet in the middle. And if you right in the middle, then shit, we might as well just come to you or in that area.
Yeah, because I could because I was telling him it's college football. We could go. There's a few spots we could watch the games and stuff. Get bars, whatever.
That's a bet. Yeah, I'll definitely. I told him I was like we was gonna text about it. We'll figure it out. Yeah. So that's a bet.
Especially it's crazy that y'all I ain't never meet Zay. And I ain't never meet Dre, and he lived 30, 40 minutes away.
Y'all live 45 minutes, right? Well, we're about to set that up, at least in person.
Yeah, we be at the same places, though.
Yo, Noah Lyles was cooking on this 200, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
He had to get some get back after the 100 though.
Yeah.
He got he got to let him know I'm still the king of this 200.
Yeah. Oh, all right, so I think I found it. Yeah.
Oh, you the thing
This
that you were
is
saying.
he was saying
Okay.
like they say this is sideline money, but that's just how they are. Nobody sidelines risk appetite in T bills unless you're a sophisticated investor running some sort of strategy. This is not money waiting to buy stocks. Hope that helps. That's what he said. That's very, very dull. But he was saying pretty much don't believe that drink.
I'm not mad at that. The only thing that the only rebuttal I guess I would have is then why do you, well, I would it's not even really a rebuttal. Then I would just ask why do you have like the financial pundits that keep going? Well, not even let me not even say that. Quadree, I put the damn article in a group from CNBC. Even they published the article that was like, remember the article was like 7 trillion on the sidelines waiting for the rate cut or something like that. So it's like if you
No, we
got
don't care.
financial media and pundits, they saying the same thing.
But then again, like we're not really in euphoric mode. So I would like to see it like in December.
Mm-hmm.
Because we had like 7,000 in December and that didn't go up. I really have questions, bro.
Yeah, because I think that's when we get the next update is the December.
Yeah,
You're right.
December.
Like we definitely. When is we gonna see that thing tick down?
Yeah.
Like it's crazy the fact that if you really think about it, from the pandemic, it was at like 5 or 4 trillion, and ever since then, it just keep going up and up and up and
Up,
up.
up. Mm-hmm.
That low key is kind of wild. 2 minutes away from 9, Brody.
No, we ain't flush yet. I'm about to cut this.
Yeah, we waking up. Well, yeah, we waking up. We waking up. We waking up. Hey, Shauna, that gold trade, that's what must have helped you pass your combine. I was just gonna say, because I remember you said you was close. That gold trade definitely got you over the hump. And I'm dang on sure glad that I did chase that joint. Mm, damn. And yeah, chat. We said in the beginning of the show this was probably gonna be a slow night. You know, now that we had all the action we had yesterday, you're right. It is OPEX tomorrow. Yeah, not really. Ain't too much really gonna be going on like that. Hmm.
Come on, drop, baby, drop. 9 o'clock.
It's 9. Here we
Yep.
go. Uh, Jay said melt up 2.0. I agree. AJ, what Gamma saying, bruh? What your Gamma data saying? Because I know mine. Shit. I looked at it. It basically was. It was saying Spy could get the 665 to like 667 before anything. Hmm. I should have held on to that micro Bitcoin, bro. I had a really good entry actually.
Yeah,
Shit is
John.
pushing back up pretty nicely.
Yeah,
Oh, 6,700. Okay.
ain't that John crazy?
Nice. Huh?
Yeah, John was nice.
You talking about the micro Bitcoin joint?
Yeah, like, if I would have got in with when we started, that was really
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I had a pretty good entry down there at those damn lows. I should have just
an entry,
let
bro.
that shit. I should have just stayed in there. That candle pumped like a mug. Hmm. Hmm. I don't really wanna. I don't really want to press nothing right now, especially not in this Asia session. This shit is so slow. I think we about to reverse back down, Quadree.
Yeah, it's coming off the seeing how it's responding to this breaker right here.
It looked like we might go short a little one more time. Yeah, that wick don't look too good. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna start playing.
Mm. Let me see. Yes. 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 And Q. Yep. ES is reversing down. So is the NQ. These hourlies look like they ready to do a little something, something. RTY. Yeah, buddy. I think they about to give it back. Mhm. Yeah, I think I'm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just chill out.
Yeah, wait for this to fold over, bro. My move was man. The NQ moved so fast, bro. I couldn't even catch that joint, bro.
When?
Like
Like this morning or just in general?
no. Like for this trade here, like I would have preferred it here, but I like to look for that close, and we didn't close necessarily, right? Being
Mm-hmm.
close to here at that point. I mean, I could have took it. It just was. mm,
It won't A plus. You
nah.
gotta stick to your
Yeah, that's the thing.
gotta
The
stick to your
ES was
good.
the better trade, which I was in. I bet you the ES part it went to TP as soon as I got off it, of course. Yeah, my TP was here. It proceeded to drop lower.
Back out the trunk, on the trunk, on the back. Yeah, it looks like I don't like how this hourly is looking, bruh. It might want to come down a little bit more and then bounce. Well, the NQ's just kind of playing around. ES kind of just messing around. Same thing with the YM. Yeah, I ain't really liking none of these setups like that. And it's a slow night. I ain't about to force nothing. Jay said at the OPEX, mark 9:30 on your calendar. Another big movement day potentially. Yes, 9:30 will be the quarterly close. We will that will be the end of the quarter. So definitely expecting some volatility. Now, hey Jay, check this out, bro. Um, I want to show you something or just look at something. So I'm gonna pull up the ES real quick. And I was showing my community this little trend I've been seeing. So it really kind of just started in July. But look at like the last trading day of the month going into the first trading day of a new month. So if we look at the ES, right, this was the last day of July, and then going into August 1st, you basically get a 3.5% drop over like 2 days. And then you rally pretty much into OPEX, right? So you take that low, you rally over 14 days. That's what 4.5%. So that was August, right? We go to the end of August into September. Same thing happened, right? This is the last day of August. You go to that first trading day of September. It was down 2%, right? Quick little sell off. And then we proceeded to bounce, where we bounced from this low. And here we are going into quad witching over 16 days, 4.5%. So literally almost identical runs. Yep, over 14 days, 4.2. This one 16 days, 4. What is that? 4.5, right? And then what happens is you kind of, after OPEX, you get a little bit of a dip, kind of get a pop, go sideways, and then you end the month. So next week, Dre has finally made it. Dre is here.
What it do?
Let's go, my
Good, bro.
shit, bro.
How was the conferences?
BS, bro.
Huh?
Bullshit, bro. You know how it is. But I get it. First day, first year in school. Trying to meet the teacher and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All good,
Mhm.
all good. But yeah, Jay. So that's what I was showing. Yeah, you said the love the end of the month reset. So I was basically showing that to say that yes, I agree with you, Jay. Like that end of the month, that going into the last day, into the first day of October, I think we definitely could see some volatility there as well. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
It's
And
cool,
Quadri,
right?
I think you back up, right? Your trade should look like we
I'm finally green
balling.
again. Finally green again.
Yeah,
Damn, my boy short. I see
yeah. It
you.
looked like it's ready to give
This
way.
up here, bro. I was telling
Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that was a nice little push.
Yeah, slow night, huh? Fuck.
yeah, we had one really good move, and that was at the top of the 8 o'clock.
Mm,
Yeah,
yeah. Last
yeah,
night your shit
yeah. That
was
was
running
it.
like
Yep,
there was
top of
no
8 o'clock.
tomorrow.
Yeah, me and Quadri said that every time we don't have a show, market want to go crazy.
Bro, last night your shit moved like 200 points, bro. I'm like, what?
Yeah, that was crazy, bro.
Yeah, bro. Crazy, man. Yeah, man. Shit. How was your day? Had a solid day?
Saturday, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mm, yeah.
8.
Man, Zay, my NQ reached all my weekly levels, bro. Can't even trade this shit to the upside. I had to wait.
You said what happened?
NQ reached all my weekly levels to the upside, bro.
Oh yeah, for sure, Nick, bruh. If I go to the fibs, we like hit all the extensions. It's nothing. That's why I'm like, got to be careful here.
Yeah, it's like, whoa. what do I trade? I don't even know.
And I really don't want to be like, I mean, me personally, I'm like, oof, got to be careful shorting, but that's really the only trade.
Hey, the way we trade,
unless we keep squeezing, right? So like, I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna pull down Quadree screen real quick, but like check this out, Dre. You know so I threw the fib on last week handle. Almost tested the 618, but you can see we pretty much opened at the 1.2 extension, pushed up to the 161 and a little bit beyond that. I'm like, damn.
Yeah,
that shit be going crazy. Right? If I go down to the you can see it better on the daily, but like you said, like Monday, we came out the gate aggressive.
Yeah.
Boom. Straight pushed up. And Tuesday, Wednesdays, we had the little sell down. This crazy wick with the FOMC. And then yesterday, we just was all gas right up to the 618. Boop.
Yep.
And now we just sitting. Yeah.
Yeah. We got open tomorrow, right? That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's it. Right? Yeah, that's it. I got your screen up. Yep, that's it.
Yeah, do you see my red box? That's it. We hit it today. Right?
Yeah, I feel you. And Jay said the same. Jay said my target for the week was 66.50. SPX smashed it early. Same thing, Jay. Mine was too. Yeah. I had 66.50, and I was like, bro, we get beyond 66.50. What 60? I think I said 66.75, and then 6,700. And a matter of fact, me and Jay was tweeting, and he hit me back. I was like, "Did we hit FOMO yet?" He was like, "Maybe when we get to 66.75."
Bro,
crazy, sure.
Getting out of control. Yeah, gotta get out of control. What was that article you shared? 50%, 50% something. What you shared?
Oh, the upside joint.
Yeah, what the hell?
So they was basic because everybody keeps saying, "Oh, we in this bubble, blah 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 blah," but we really not. Like, if you compare where the market is today, valuations and all of that, we're nowhere near the extremes that were reached during the .com bubble. So what that article was saying was, if the market got to similar sentiment valuations as what happened during the .com bubble, then you can actually see the market go 50% higher from where it is right now. That's what it would take to get to those type of nosebleed levels.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Right.
There go your 7,000, bro.
So where we at right now? Let's say we at 6,700. Let's do some quick math, Dre. Let's see if it equals. Now, Dre, for a long time, we've been talking about, like, by the end of this decade where we could possibly get to. I'm not gonna say the number, but let's just do the math real quick to see if we at 6,600 and they talking about a 50% run.
Damn,
bro.
7.
Guess what? Guess where from 6,600, if you do a 50% run, guess where you end up at?
75.
Higher. Ooh. What's the magic number we've been saying by the end of the decade?
8K.
Higher.
No.
10. Well,
yes.
10.
9,900, bro.
Damn. Makes sense, bro.
SPX 10K by 2030 is coming.
Yeah. It is.
SPX 10K by 2030, bro.
That's gonna be wild.
And then guess what? Then when we get there, then we finally may get a like 50% crash, and that's just gonna bring you down to 5,000. And I'm loading the fuck up.
Facts.
I'm backing up the Brinks truck.
Hell yeah. Man, makes sense now, huh? Wow.
Yeah.
It's crazy as shit happens. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you see the drop happening? Let's see, bro.
Hmm? We dropping?
Well, we went to
Hold on, let me pull up Quadree because he in a trade. Let's go.
trying to hope it drop. Just act like he wanted to.
I know that's what I'm saying. It keep flirting. Like I'm looking at the YM on the hourly. It looked like it's ready to break down. The RTY is definitely coming down. The ES is kind of the hourly is just kind of flat, and then the NQ that too is kind of flat. It just keeps sitting at this 710 area. It needs to reject this 6 o'clock low. That was 711.50.
Mm-hmm. I got a level open, a 6 a.m. open for 6 p.m. open last night. We never touch it.
Is that to the low? Is that to the bottom of us or to
the low? Yeah, right here.
Okay,
Look at this.
I got you. Just pulled your screen up. Where is that?
Right here.
What's that?
We never
24.
hit it.
Okay.
498.
24. So 498.
Yeah, we never hit it. But that shit 300 points away.
Oh yeah, that's far.
Yeah. I mean, I leave it on because we never touch it, so I leave it on until next week until we touch it. You know, so it stays open.
Yeah.
We usually come back at like 3-4 days from now. You be like, whoa, what's that level we just bounced from? 12 hour open, bro.
Well, that's a good thing. If it's next week, I'm cool with that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm good with that.
But yeah, bro, this is so bullish. And it's funny how they did it, bro. Look at this. Like this move, we came down. We hit what we hit. We hit the weekly targets down here. 75, yeah, percent of the weekly.
Yep.
A
And then
14
they bounced that thing. Pew pew.
Yeah. Yep. It was whoa.
Yeah.
Impressive.
So
Very
much for sell the news.
Nah.
It was more like buy the dip.
When I saw my boy with the purple
He came with
tie,
the purple tie.
I was like, boy, he know what time it is, bro.
Thanks. So we do got the Bank of Japan rate decision tonight at 11 p.m. So be mindful of that. And then next week,
carry trade. Don't scare me, no carry trade, bro.
Yeah, right. And then next week, the 22nd through the 26th, we got a bunch of FOMC talk. We got PMI on Tuesday. We got GDP and unemployment claims on Thursday. And then we got PCE on Friday. Earnings-wise, we got Micron on Wednesday, the 23rd. We got ACN on the 25th and Costco on the 25th. So it's really not like a heavy week.
Bro, I don't see nothing dropping this shit, man.
That's the problem, though. That's why when we had our session last night, I was like, bro, it's gonna be a black swan. Like it's gonna be something that come out of left field that we didn't even, it just blew up.
You gotta be. It's the only thing I can think of.
Because me and Quadree was talking about it right before you joined. We was like, bruh, every bearish excuse keeps getting kicked down the road, bruh. First, it was supposed to be the jobs revision. Well, first it was supposed to be Jackson Hole. Then it was supposed to be NFP. Yep. Then it was supposed to be the job revisions. Then it was supposed to be inflation. Then it was supposed to be the rate cut. Like
nothing happening, bro. What's going on? What's going on? I said nothing is dropping this stuff, man. Nothing. Like
I
Come
mean,
on
and
now.
if it does drop, it get bought so fast.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's
Like
true.
they're
So
buying the
true.
crap out of the dip.
Yeah. Might run to the next year, bro. All the way to next year.
I mean,
Yeah.
listen, Jay said it. He said melt up 2.0. You know, it really could be a melt up, bro. You know what I mean?
Mm.
On some crazy ish, bro. On some crazy
I
ish.
mean, literally, we in the worst month on the freaking market. And this shit just dashing bullet, bro. We all time high. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Carl said Carl
yeah,
said market been feasting on bad news. You right, bro. I think
he
Carl,
be on that shit.
You said that maybe what? Maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago when we was on live and you were saying how market just been eating up bad news.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Bruh. You know what the image I just got in my head? I'm thinking about the Zeke GIF when he eating the fucking cereal with the milk.
Yeah.
That's the market, the bad news, bruh.
Hell yeah, eating that word, bro. So, man, yeah, man. And we shit. What level we? 24. What?
So Dre, let me ask you this: what's your end of the year target for the Nasdaq or the NQ, bro? Because we pretty close to 25K, dog.
I told you. I told you. Remember, I told you. I have it right here. This teal line is my target. But let me go to the daily.
That's what for end of the year, right?
Yeah, and it's scary, bro.
That's
Cause
2026.
six. But look
Damn.
at peak game. Right? Let me do the other shit.
He said, hell yeah, all summer after the tariff nonsense, market's just been pumping facts. And that's the thing, man. Here's the funny part. A lot of people keep saying, oh, we need a pullback, we need a pullback. And I rarely hear anybody say, what if that correction we had early in the year was the pullback? Like
Yeah.
many people forget, like back in April when we dropped that 20%, you had people saying, oh, we in a bear market.
So,
So like when you have a drop like that intra year, after you get a 21% dip, you are very lucky to see another 3 or 5% sell off.
Yep.
right.
You know what I mean? And Quadree, I think you brought that up when we was talking about that, where you was like, bro, after a 21% dip, you might be lucky if you get another 5% dip, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But go ahead, Dre. You got it. You was about to show us something.
So when we got this drop on liberation, whatever that shit is, or April,
Just say the tariff noise. Yeah.
terrorist noise.
Yeah.
This fit, this it was from this structure, right? And that's the extension target. So you got target one hit 20,000.
Yep.
We hit 21. We hit 22.
Mm-hmm.
We hit 2.5, 23. That was my. This start was like, yo, that's it. We need a pullback. Look at this, bro. This shit just took it. Like we tried here. When was this? July,
Uh-huh.
and Marcus said, no, bro, you
I
wrong.
said,
We
nope. Yep.
going up.
Yep.
And now the last level is here, bro. 26.
Crucial.
That's 26
And you
for
want to
16.
and here and look, Dre, let me kind of add to this real quick because here's another big thing I think a lot of people are just missing, bro. For me, it's gonna be really hard, and I gotta go to the Russell because, bro, if you go pull the Russell, put this on a monthly.
Yeah, that's ready,
Dog,
bro.
this is one hell of a. This is a cup handle. Boom. Like, look at this base.
Mm-hmm.
Retest. Boom. Now I like to do the whole proof of shit, right? So first of
Yep.
all, let me Let me draw some stuff up real quick. Let me draw some shit up real quick. Where is? I need my curve. Yeah, there we go. Right. So you could just say this your base.
Right.
Right. That's your base. Here's your handle. Because you got a cup and handle.
Yep.
Now, whenever you get a cup and handle, and now that we taken off, right, you usually could take this, and if you just proof it from where we at, dog, that means, dog, and this is where this what Tom Lee was talking about. Russell to 3,000, bro. This shit proofs all the way up to 3,100 on the Russell. If the Russell is about to be that bullish,
we running.
I'm sorry. The market is not coming down anytime soon, bro. And you can't tell me that on a monthly, this is not one big ass base cup and handle. Anybody that has any kind of technical expertise would look at this and tell you this is a cup handle. Now we about to break out. And when we take out this high, you basically take from the high down to the base, and if you proof that, that will give you the measure move of how high the market can go.
Right.
That's wild.
I cut that trade, bro.
You pushing?
Yeah.
Profit?
Nah, I lost $3. I didn't like
it. All right. I got the same high. See, that shit fire.
Oh, hold on, I got you, Dre. Or let's go. Yeah, it don't want to push lower, Quadree.
Yeah, Ryan stupid. We've been bouncing off that. Like, yo, let me get out of this mode.
All right, here, Z.
You said, you got the olive green joint with the yellow brim.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. This, bro, I'm so mad. You know, I'll be talking SBI for months, bro.
Don't tell me it broke out.
Look at this, bro. This is my
this XBI.
Yeah, bro. This shit going.
Wow.
This shit at 96, eh?
Wow. Hey, dog.
Yeah.
Bullish market, man.
It happened, man. Market. Look at that shit, Zay.
Yeah.
That shit.
You've been on it.
Yo.
Go. Can you do IBB? What IBB look like? That's the other one.
Oh my God. Gone.
Yeah, that's
we've been on the. Look at this. Come on, man.
That's the one. Wow. Damn.
Yeah. You know me. I've been working. We worked on this last 2020. Yeah, bro. I got this shit going to 184, bro. IBB. You know when I work on this day? When your boy came to the show. What's that guy's name? From Chase? Remember him?
Oh, yeah. You talking about
I forgot his name.
Yeah, damn. Me too.
Yeah, him.
Fuck. I locked myself out. Damn it, I shouldn't have did that.
Yeah,
damn. RTY about to go gas, boy.
And that's the set of driving this IBB and SBI.
Oh, I know. Oh, I know, bro. It's about to get.
Yeah, when this set runs, he runs, bro.
Yes, it do.
Yeah.
Carl said, when we cut rates with an economy in a strong posture, we go up. Too many metrics suggest the economy can still cook. Absolutely, Carl. And everybody keep wanting the economy to be so bad, but it's not. Like, if people really paying attention, GDP is still projected to be like 2.5%, 3%.
Yeah.
Like, huh?
Yeah, not a lot at all. I mean, as far as from not negative.
Yeah, like it's like GDP is still expected to actually kind of grow. You got earnings growth still growing. You got hella investments I mean, as much as people want to hate Trump and all of that, I feel like that's the reason why they kind of want this to go to shit so they can blame him. But it's not there yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not there yet, bro.
Nope.
It's just not there yet. I mean, don't
Yeah,
get me wrong, there's cracks, but I mean, when we really look at history, a 4.3 unemployment rate is still historically low. Powell said that.
yeah.
So
I think it was you, Quadree, that said this morning. We never seen this in history.
Yeah,
Right?
we haven't.
we writing new
We
history.
haven't.
Yeah,
We write in real history, bro. So 10,000 SPX is coming, baby. I
do it, bro.
what? What? Yeah, bro.
SPX 10K, baby. Let's
It's
get
coming,
it.
bro. It's coming. Bro, I was talking 23K NQ last year, bro. For the luck. We are 24, bro.
Now we here.
Pushing 25. We ain't but what 300 points away from 25.
Bro, that's insane. The Dow was, I was talking what, that 60K.
That's coming soon enough too, brother.
Yeah. Well, you did all of it. You did RTY, you did
All of it. It's all coming.
YM, and you did SPS, and you did NQ, bro. And we all hit it.
Carl said it's a hard lesson to learn, but the U.S. economy is programmed to go up. Simple as that. Hey, that's why Warren Buffett say, "Don't bet against America."
I learned my lesson. That's true.
I mean, even Ian be saying that the market is rigged to stay up.
Yeah. It picture like I respect this guy from what All Star
Charts, JC.
him.
Yeah, he good.
He's good, but he a little strong with the mouth. He Cuban. He talk that like he don't care type of
Yeah,
shit.
he crazy. Well,
Yeah,
I won't say he crazy, but you're right. He talk reckless a little bit. But that's that New York stuff too at the same time.
Yeah. He said, ain't no way, guys, that China, the Euro, India, Brazil, they're gonna hit all-time high, and USA is not. It's not happening, guys. We are going to, bro. It's not happening. We are going to all-time high, and that's when we were dropping like crazy in March. It's not, do not bet against America. Nobody listen to it, bro. The guy's right. Now when he go to compound, he feel like the GOAT.
He do. He be popping off.
Yeah.
He be popping.
I like him, but he a little strong for a lot of people won't like his style. I bet you he a little strong. Yeah, man. It's crazy.
Yeah,
sure.
And guess what? Another thing we haven't really mentioned, fellas.
What?
How hated is this rally?
Most hated hot. Yeah.
And y'all know we talk about this all the time. When you got a hated rally, that's just more fuel to the fire.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's absolutely true.
Simple as that. It's just more fuel to the fire.
Yeah.
Because people are getting more and more frustrated that it keep going higher and it's not pulling back. And when you trade out of frustration, that means they just keep piling on more and more puts, trying to short the market. And guess what? They just getting ate up.
Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. Big shit.
As a matter of fact, let me go take a look at that while we.
You told people about Solana. We hit the target we call on
I'm gonna
Tuesday.
go pull up. Let's go see what Solana.
Yeah, we hit the target we talk about right here. What was that? 250. Yeah, guys, here we were
the last show last Thursday. We called 250.
Yeah, we hit it.
Oh, hold on. Let me put your screen up real quick, Dre.
This drawing stated.
All right, there you go, Dre. You got it.
Yeah, this joint we measure. I measure with Zay when he asked me where we thinking. I said 250, and this
Mhm.
line right there we measure from the 5-day MA
Yep.
10%, and we hit it
Mhm.
that
There we
last week
go.
Sunday, and now we here again. Yeah. So yeah, guys.
No, we actually called it on the show too Thursday. You heard me, Dre?
Yeah, 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 yeah. We did. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. I want to show y'all this, or I want to show everybody this.
Mm,
Coming into tomorrow,
mm.
there is 3.8 million puts to 1.2 million calls for tomorrow.
Squeeze, baby.
Wow.
Huh?
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
That's open interest. The volume here was kind of crazy today, though. 4.8 million calls versus 900,000 puts. That's kind of wild.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely because of rollover. But let's go look at the end. Let's go look at September 30th. So we had 111,000 puts versus 162,000 calls. But look at the open interest, 1.3 million puts to 370,000 calls for the end of September.
Damn.
Still kind of loaded up on puts. Then you
Puts.
go to
Yeah.
October. If you go to October, you had 270,000 puts today to 76,000 calls. And look at the open interest, 2.3 million puts to 400,000 calls. Look at this put to call ratio, 5-1.
Not
For
happening,
every
bro.
one call, is 5 puts out there. That's crazy. And
Squeeze central.
then you're right. Then if you look at the end of October, bro, for every call is 7 puts. 1.3 million puts to 176,000 calls.
Bro.
What?
What?
Crazy.
That is crazy, son.
But who is doing this? Like, come on. Like, yo. Who managing this? I mean, the system? Like, come on, man. It can't
Hey,
be this.
Quadree, what we say? Who is on the other side of this? We was just talking about that, bro.
I was wondering,
Yeah.
like, this don't make any.
It made no sense, bro.
This ain't making no sense.
Yeah. This shit made no sense, bro. I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah. That OI is
It's
that
wild.
put the call ratio is kind of crazy though.
Yeah.
So once
So you.
again, man,
Mhm.
I'm looking at price. I'm also looking at additional data, and I think I text one of my homies this is that, and let me read it because when I read it, it's gonna make good sense. Which is that where is that? Oh, so he was basically asking me. He was like, "Man, so we're not gonna get no pullback." I'm like, "Bro, we had a whole entire correction earlier this year, and people were screaming a bear market." And he was like, yeah, I'm just saying this fall ain't about to happen." And I was like, I mean, anything is possible. But I said, you know, when you look at the market, it's mainly just people screaming, "We need a pullback." When you look at price action, technical signals, none of it's bearish yet. And then what is the catalyst for the pullback?
Sentiment. And you got smoke.
but Dre, even sentiment, me and Quadree looked at this earlier. Even sentiment not that bad though. We barely agreed. If you look at the bull bear sentiment, it's pretty much even. 41% bullish. You still got 42% bearish.
Yeah.
You know what I
But
mean?
today, that
So,
was today. Last week, it was more.
no. That was today's one.
Yeah.
It's
Before it was more.
more bears. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was
Yeah.
it was a really low bullish number. It's like 28%
Yeah.
bullish. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know, bro. What's going? I don't know. When is this? This every month they do this. When is this? I guess they're supposed to sign. The Congress supposed to sign.
You
What's that
talking about
shit?
you talking about the shutdown drink?
Yeah, what is that? That's
Yeah.
the new thing
It's
that
supposed to be
everybody talking about.
September 30th. So
Hey,
hey,
Everybody
Jay,
that's a new
go ahead,
thing.
my bad. Huh?
That's a new thing. That's a new thing that's supposed to drive the market crazy.
Oh, you saying that's the yeah. You're right.
Yeah,
Yes, that's the new thing. You're
that's
absolutely
a new
right.
thing. Yeah, every week change. Okay. It's crazy, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
man.
right. That's the new thing is watch out for the potential government shutdown.
Hmm. Yeah, bro.
And then guess what's gonna happen? They're gonna pass it, and then they're gonna kick the can down the road again. On to the next excuse.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah.
Boom. Mm.
What's the score out there? What's fantasy doing? Oh, okay.
Hmm.
My fantasy player.
No, you
Oh
mean
yeah, how your fantasy team doing, bro?
I'm 2-0, bro.
Bad.
The 2 weeks the highest score, bro. Highest score for the whole league. The for the first 2 weeks.
You said what?
And I've been the highest score on the whole league. The first 2 weeks I've been the highest.
Oh, you've been out here. You've been smoking cats, huh?
And remember, I got the 10th pick, bro.
Yeah, but you had a good team though.
Yeah, yo, my league, my neighbors went stupid on me for
Yeah,
Sunday.
Malik Neighbors
Oh,
going crazy, bro. Russell Wilson
he,
know he getting that boy to rock.
yeah, he did on Sunday. Shit, I scored 40 points.
Mm-hmm.
And then I had the Dallas kicker, bro. He gave me 20.
Dang.
Yeah, you know he was a soccer player.
The Dallas kicker.
Yeah,
Yeah, I heard that.
and then his wife telling him, "Yo, why you don't try this? You better than a lot of kickers." He goes,
Mm.
"Yeah, I do. Let's try." And he got signed, bro. I'm so crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, man.
it's really
Oh
14
boy.
to 14.
Huh?
It's 14 to 14.
Yeah. Yeah, Water score.
Who scored?
Yelling Water.
Jalen Waddle. Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta see who else. Let me see. I think I might have. Yeah, I got Aiken. I need him to score.
Aiken. Oh, Aiken.
The running back for the Dolphins,
Miami. Yeah. Yes, sir.
or at least have a good game. Shit.
Yeah, Thursday night.
Well, I'm glad it's a PPR league because he got 5 catches, so that's 5 points.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Yes,
Man,
sir.
Josh Allen balling out though.
Who?
Josh Allen.
Oh, he always does, bro. Guy's a machine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True. I need him to get out. Easy pass to the Super Bowl. Got Burrow out.
Oh, you talking about for the your boys?
Yeah.
No, now we ain't got to worry about Cincinnati.
Why? Because how long Joe Burrow out?
3 months at minimum.
3 months.
Damn.
They seen the earliest he'll come back probably is December, the third week of
What
December.
happened?
Yeah, turf toe, and he got hurt.
Yeah.
He ended up getting surgery, so that's out a minimum 3 months. So he pretty much done for the season.
Oh damn.
They're talking about getting Shador over there,
Yeah,
bro.
unless they make the playoffs.
You heard?
Yeah.
For real?
Shador, but yeah, they're talking that shit today. This
What?
time,
Yo, they kill him back there. They ain't got no offensive line.
I don't think he want to go to Cincinnati though.
Nah.
Huh?
why not?
I don't think he gonna want to go to Cincinnati though, because that's just a temporary thing. Like once Burrow come
Boy,
back, he
true.
done.
Yeah, bro, getting paid almost $300 million. That joint,
Yeah, that ain't it.
that's why he didn't want to come to us. He told us he wants to draft.
Yeah, because he didn't want to be behind Lamar. He knew he wasn't gonna never play.
Sure, makes sense.
But it's like, bro, when you in fifth round, you ain't got that many options though. I mean, yes,
Facts.
like that's where I be feeling like, bro. At least you behind Lamar, you can learn for a year and then pivot off to somewhere else. We know you ain't gonna stay there.
Mm-hmm.
Even an organization, really decent organization, at least to be a pro with.
Right.
But hey, who am I? He richer than me, so
Bien,
he shoot.
you know who got hard, bro? I respect his game, bro. Baker Mayfield. Oh my god, that he's tough, bro. That little midget is nice.
Who?
Yeah,
Baker Mayfield,
he revived his career in
the guy from Tampa. He is tough.
he was on. Don't drop now. This Mario gonna do some BS, bro.
What? Drop it? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, slow night.
All
Going
right,
short. 10 o'clock
right
coming
here.
up. Hmm. Yeah, bro. Damn, SBI. Look at that shit gone, man. Fuck.
It ain't gone yet. It's still early, bro.
Yeah, true.
I'm about to pull it up. Let me go look at XBI.
Yo, ASML 927. How? What was this?
Off the news, intel.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, yo. Oh.
That was another name I was in. That
Say talk about this in the show. Like this was his play, bro. God damn.
I ain't mad
Look at
that joint was expensive, bro. Them plays be expensive as hell. So I ain't
was.
mad.
Look at that monthly. God. Damn.
Correct. That monthly look, bruh. That's what I was waiting on, bruh. I knew it was gonna have a monthly candle like that, bruh.
God damn, bro.
Oh
Damn,
wow.
That's what I'm hoping.
Okay, so I'm looking at XBI.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, my bad.
What you see, bro? What you see, bro?
I was just saying that's why I'm hoping Netflix and MicroStrategy do. Give me a month like that.
Shit.
So with XBI, Dre,
Mm-hmm.
it just got above the 2019 close price.
Yeah. And yearly open, right? Yeah.
Yes. Now, as far as extensions go,
Mm.
man, I'm with you,
We
dog. I
we
wouldn't
got
be
time?
surprised. Huh?
We got time to get in?
Yeah, bruh. I
Yeah.
would say I got targets of 105, 116, 129 to 144.
I like
And even if it gets to 144, that still ain't even all-time highs.
No. Look at these. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes, they. Oh no, we got time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And look at
Okay.
that. Look at the base, bro. Like
Mhm.
really, like look at like if you really put XBI, look at it on a monthly
Yeah.
and
Right.
look at that base, bro. That base is
Mm.
crazy.
Yeah, say we going, bro. Let's go. Um, yeah, man.
Like, bro, that thing done touched that 66 one. It touched it in 2018, 2020, 2022,
Yep.
23, and then here it is
And
in 25. It touched it again, and
and look
now
at the
that
response
it
every time.
now every time it bounces, and now it's finally back at the top of that base, which is resistance is about 95, and it's busting through. Man,
Yep.
once that thing really clears 100, it's gone. It's gone.
Damn.
Ain't no looking back. Ain't no looking back.
Wow.
That shit is
Damn.
going to take off.
Yeah, I was telling Quadree this morning. We were on the phone. I'm telling him, yo, I haven't been on my swing, bro, but this shit be hitting, bro. It's hard. It's hard, bro. When it's
You
hard, yo.
just so I tell you, like I think what you gotta do, Dre, for your when it comes to your swings, you just gotta put it in a place where you don't look. Like just buy your
Right.
shit and set it and forget it. Make sure you got enough time, and
Mm-hmm.
then you come back in a couple months and be like, damn, like I'm glad I did that because yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like you're right. You're right, bro. I have to. I have to get on that because I be looking at my
Just
watch
put it
list.
in an account and set it and forget it.
Yeah, I be checking my watch list on Robinhood, bro. Shit. Now
And
I
that
had
shit
three
probably be
percent
going
in play,
crazy.
bro. That ASML. I'm not sure ASML.
Uh-huh.
I the one we talk about with me and what's his name? Oh my god, Danny.
Mm-hmm.
He was the yeah. It was 1050. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the 1,400.
Hmm.
The 1,400 for next year.
Oh,
ASML.
where's that now?
I'm gonna show you right now. Hey.
Ooh.
Shake it up, man. That was not the one. Okay, hey, Tesla. Tesla is up 300%. 400 calls. The one we were tracking, me and
Okay,
Quadree.
which one?
Tesla,
Uh-huh.
400
Uh-huh.
calls
Uh-huh.
for January.
Uh-huh.
They are going for when I add them on July 26th.
Uh-huh.
They were 1,500.
Uh-huh.
Right now they're going for 47.
So what's that, like 200 some odd percent, 300%?
200%.
Mm-hmm. See, you just need an account that you treat like your watch list, bro.
Yeah, facts. Facts.
But look, fellas, we got 5 minutes and we approaching 10 o'clock. About to call it a
Mm,
Riz app, which we knew
mm,
was about to be a slow night.
yeah.
Um,
For real.
nah, we called it, bro. I was like, yo, it's about to be a slow night. Nothing really cracking. For myself, um, I managed. I'm $12 in profit. I didn't
Okay.
really want to force nothing. I
Good
think
shit.
I finished the night 3 for 1. Kept
That
kind of
was
going in. Huh?
long, all. You went long on all of them?
No, so before we even started the show, I tried to catch a short on the ES and
Mm,
it won't go on right. So I hurried up and got out of that. So I came into the show, I was down. And then I
mm,
took RTY long real quick, made a couple dollars on that. And then
bet.
I've been toying around with the micro Bitcoin, trying to, learn that. So I
Okay.
took a long on that. Yeah, I took a
Good
long on
shit.
that. Actually, I took 2 longs on that, and they both ended up profitable. So that's how I ended up 3 for 1.
Well, let's go. Oh, you gotta put me on that shit.
Yeah, hey, bro, start. Yeah, that micro Bitcoin, bro. The reason
MTB, right?
I'm gonna tell you the reason why I'm trying to get used to it is because when Bitcoin go on this run we just talked about at the end of the year, I need parts of that, bro. You feel me, Quadree? That's what I'm like. Look, we need to start practicing this now Because when we
Yeah.
get to October, November, December, and Bitcoin is running, bruh, I am trading the shit out of micro Bitcoin.
Hell yeah. I see you.
What? That Jake about to be going crazy. So yeah, I need to
Mm.
I need to learn all parts of that.
So
Okay.
sidebar. A lot of these plays that I have added on my watch list was in December of 24.
Mhm.
They had significant drawdown, but they all are up on the average of 500%. But you would have had to damn near be at negative 90%.
Oh my god,
That's damn.
that's
Like,
kind of wild.
right. It's like
So
literally
they basically went down
they went down
basically
negative,
80%, and now they're back up, but they up 500%.
yeah, on average.
That's wild.
I don't know if I can survive a swing like that.
No.
Yeah, I don't think I could survive a swing like that either, bro.
a lot of those contracts I had ended up getting out of, but now a year, I mean, after that April dip, they all back way in the
All
money.
back live.
Moral of the story: buy time. That's it.
I ain't gonna lie.
Buy time. Buy time.
In April, we was not talking about buying no time. We was
Oh
trying
hell
to
no.
see
Nah, April was different, bro. That shit. That man, never been in that market like that.
bro. So
I'm gonna just say like this, bro. I really looking back at April, that was really just a rerun of COVID. How fast,
True.
COVID dip was fast like that. Quick 30%, and then that bounce. That's basically what we did.
Yeah. I mean, I wasn't in the market in COVID. That's why I didn't know.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that's
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah. So yes.
Mm.
But y'all got anything, fellas, before we call it evening?
Hey, price is king.
price is
Don't
and like I said last week, keep buying.
Right.
Yeah, don't fade that, bro. Not fake price.
Nah, that's real talk. Yeah, I'm with you, Dre. I think that was my message for the night. I'm with you, Dre, which is, listen, at the end of the day, price is king. We talk about macro news, we talk about signals and all of that stuff, technical indicators and all of that. Listen, the number one indicator is price. And until you get confirmation, you just gotta, the trend is your friend. And I'm not really seeing, again, you might get a pullback, but I'm not seeing anything that's overly bearish based on price. Let me put it that way.
On this level, I got 25,938
on NQ.
Yeah.
Well, y'all heard it. So yeah, man, y'all have a good weekend. We'll be back next week, normal schedule, Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be back next week, normal week. Yeah, man, until next Tuesday, Late Night Leverage crew is out of here. Y'all have a good weekend. Peace out.
See ya, guys. Peace. Yes, sir.
Yeah.